More than ever, Ugandans have expressed anger towards Chief of Defense Forces, that's Muhoozi, who is also anticipated to become the next president of Uganda after his father, that is President Museveni. Among the people who expressed their dissatisfaction included Mugisha, Muntu, Bobby Wine, and a lot more people, especially from the opposition political party. Mugisha Muntu said to the CIC General Museveni, that's Chief of Defense Forces, may I implore you to be guided by your own teachings over time about the recklessness of the past armies, that is UA and UNLA, the consequences of their actions and impunity. You are the CIC, the backstops at your doorsteps. Act, it is never too late. So this was a reply to a post by Muhoozi that Eddy Mutwe is under his custody and learning Runyankore. But also on the other side, we have seen Dr. Odonga, low blood, also not keeping quiet, not sitting on the sideline. He also came in to have something to say. Odonga said it is unwise to collectively lay blame on the Banyankole for the excess of the CDF. We can't get a just society by generalized criminality. It is against generalization, just like Acoli used to be generalized and called coin, and yet coin is just a few rebels. I have so many good friends from Western Uganda hustling with daily life like all of us. To collectively blame is a genocidal mindset. So Odonga is against generalizing all the Acoli people as bad due to the actions of General Muhoozi Kangaba. Odonga added that even what does not have limits should have limits. Muhoozi Kangaba will not and should not be president of Uganda. In an unlikely event, he will take days in that office. The resolve is country-wide. The man is different from his father. So still angry at this post by Muhoozi. And also Odonga lastly said, with all said and done before God and men, Muhoozi needs help. So saying Muhoozi really needs help, maybe his meaning is not in the right mental state. And then we have seen Kiiza Eron, lawyer who is on bail, Kiiza BCGS lawyer, also came in, replying to a post by Motive Kasaga, who was also condemning these actions, who was also a threat from Bobby Wine, talking about the same thing. Said they use tribe to torture, oppress, and divide us, but they neither seek nor get the consent of the tribe, nor do they represent the tribe. These are insufferable criminals, not tribal representatives. They should carry their own cross as individuals. So that's a message for Kiiza, that they should carry their own cross. I think his statement resonates with Odonga's call for not generalizing people basing on the tribe. That people should not look at Muhoozi and just cry with the name of the Banyankole, as people say, or the Acoli tribe. So, but instead, they should cry with only the name of Muhoozi. And also here I have my personal opinion about the release of the post by Muhoozi about Eddy Mutwe. I'm looking at the good side. What I'm seeing, what's good about the post of Eddy Mutwe is that it has confirmed to Ugandans that everything that Muhoozi posts on Twitter he himself has admitted that it is his official statements. Because Eddy Mutwe was kidnapped, people were wondering where he was taken, and he came out and said he's the one keeping him. The guy was having no beards, real photo. And so I think this now rubbishes everything that the tweets are jokes. So people need to start taking these tweets, the previous one and the coming ones, as the actual thing. Treat it as official statement from the Chief of Defense Forces. I think that's the only good side of this post. And yep, we will be seeing how events will be unfolding near this political period, where the crowds are gathering and things are happening in ways that are shocking, that are hard to see, that I knew. As I said before, many people believe that Museveni is no longer in control, and the people in control are just some other people that maybe Ugandans don't know. Thank you.